In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure you can smoothly set up your meetings with added security. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already signed in, you're a step ahead, but if not, make sure to enter your login credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the calendar feature. The calendar option is typically located on the left-hand side toolbar. Simply click on it and it will take you to a full view of your scheduled meetings. Now that you're in the calendar section, look for the meeting you've already set up or the one you wish to generate a meeting ID and password for. Once you find it, click on that particular meeting. This will bring up the details of your meeting. The meeting may be a recurring one or a single event, but this process will be the same for either type. When you select the meeting, a panel will open that displays various meeting details. The next step is crucial for managing your meeting settings. You'll need to click on the Edit button. This button is usually at the top of your screen or within the opened meeting details panel. Selecting Edit allows you to modify various aspects of your meeting, enabling you to tailor it to your needs. Once you click Edit, you'll notice a few fields that can be adjusted. Now here's the part where you can find both the meeting ID and passcode. You'll need to scroll through the meeting detail settings. Depending on your version of Teams or any updates, this information might be placed in different sections, but it typically follows the general meeting settings. As you scroll, look for an area that explicitly mentions the meeting ID and passcode. Once found, you'll have the opportunity to copy these details if you need to share them with your invitees or use them for your own records. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate your way through Microsoft Teams to create and manage your meeting IDs and passwords. This procedure not only ensures your meetings are more organized, but also secures them, giving you peace of mind. Setting them up correctly can make a big difference in the smooth running of your virtual events. I hope this guide has been helpful and your meetings are now more secure and efficiently managed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy working with Microsoft Teams.